Snipers, you have to see what's happening to the Bitcoin price right now. As I just got on-chain exchange flow over the last 24 hours, over $300 million of USDT coming onto exchanges. What is USDT used for on exchanges? To buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins. This is going to be an interesting video because yesterday we were covering the S&P 500 an hour before it's closed. It was below the 20-week moving average, but then it decided to close above its 20-week moving average for the week, putting the bullish bias on the table for Bitcoin this weekend. And let's just dive straight into the chart, Sniper. Smash like button for the YouTube algorithm if you support this content. It's going to be a quick update, but check this out. We've been monitoring this very tight range where Bitcoin has been rejecting the weekly open at 47,000 US dollars after testing 45,000. And now we are starting to eat time off the clock here at 47,000 where the weekly open is. What that tells us is that at some point or another, we're going to see a move here very soon. And if we see 4-hour decisive confirmations above 47,000 US dollars, which notice how we've only wicked above this level so far. We haven't gotten decisive confirmations, but if we can get decisive confirmations, that's all we need for Bitcoin to finally test its range resistance at 50,000 US dollars. Because it's a big even, because the major level is actually 49,700, I would expect a lot of volatility. If we get above 47,000, we may start moving fast, may even get above 50,000, especially because it's a big even. So just to keep things clear and simple, weekly open, 47,000, that's the major resistance. We get above that. That's all we need for Bitcoin to see the upside, and everything is still looking in the favor of this. The Ethereum to Bitcoin chart still showing strength. The S&P 500 closing above its 20-week moving average. And then quickly, I'll discuss the bearish case. We break below 45,000, we'll start to address downside scenarios. 42,000 would be the next level. I don't see that scenario on the table just based on on-chain analytics coming into the weekend. And then look at this. Ethereum above 34.54, getting above its 200-day moving average, something Bitcoin has yet to do. Why is it showing strength against Bitcoin? You can see here, Bitcoin not even getting above its 200-day moving average yet, just like we predicted. If Bitcoin moves sideways and altcoin season is still on, then that means the show continues. Well, guess what? The Ethereum to Bitcoin chart is a leading indicator for altcoins, forming new daily candle highs for this recent uptrend today, still breaking out of the symmetrical triangle, getting above 74,000 Satoshis. That's exactly what we were looking for. That means that the Ethereum to US dollar pairing could certainly test 4,000 US dollars just with getting 4-hour candle confirmations above 34.54, where right now it's above 34.54 as we record this video. So this is a potential scenario for Ethereum on the table. Without Bitcoin even getting above 50,000, that could come on the table because of the fact that the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart is showing strength. So everything's still looking very good. The S&P 500, we got the close above the 20-week moving average. It's still an ugly candle, I'll be honest. That weekly candle is a little bit of a concern. There's a large wick, and that tells me that we may slow down into next week. But for this weekend, at least, the immediate short term, Bitcoin getting above 47,000, we could see that test of 50,000 US dollars that we've been waiting for. And then 45,000 is the major support. We already came to test it once. And so we wouldn't want to see Bitcoin get back down to that level. If either one of those scenarios happen, I'll get a video out to you guys immediately. But just pay attention to what's happening to Ethereum right now. As Bitcoin is moving sideways, it's showing more strength. And that means that altcoin season is potentially here to continue. And that Ethereum to Bitcoin chart is super important because it leads all of the altcoins behind Ethereum to also follow the same pattern. So let's see what happens. Until next time. Appreciate each and every one of you tuned into the channel. Smash like one for the YouTube algorithm once again. And until next time, snipers.